Hey y'all, TRG here, and welcome back to another video. Thanks to a unexpected power outage, this video is going to have to be a very brief and very fast one, as I don't have much time before I go live here. So I'll be live by the time you're watching this video here at 4 o'clock Eastern. Right now, we have a moderate risk for severe weather in effect from the Storm Prediction Center. I'll go ahead and pull up the day one outlook. So we have, this is our whole risk area today that we're really going to be focusing on. We've got a marginal, slight risk, enhanced risk, and a moderate risk, which is a level 4 out of 5 for severe weather. Now, today's main hazards will be wind, which is going to include the threat for 100 to 110 mile per hour winds being a possibility, as well as very large to gigantic hail, upwards of about 4-inch in diameter, also being a possibility. A few tornadoes are possible, with 1 or 2 tornadoes expected today inside that brown area, which is a 5% tornado risk. So the lowest hazard today is thankfully the tornado threat. So this is our main area to keep a very, very close eye on. And real quick, I'll talk about tomorrow's threat. We have a slight risk for severe weather, very large 2% tornado risk, 15 sig wind risk, and as well as a 15 sig hail risk. And then Tuesday, still at a enhanced risk with a broad 30% chance of severe weather. But our main risk here is going to be today. That's going to be the one we focus on the most. So let's go ahead and pull out our model runs. Now, we already have a cell that is fired out here in Kansas. You can see this is generally what it looks like right now as of about 3 p.m. Eastern. And then that's going to move up to the northeast, and this is what actually might make us go live early. I plan on going live here at 3:50. This video will be out at 4, so we'll see if we're live a little bit earlier before 3:50 Eastern here. That storm progresses up to the northeast, up here towards portions of the northern moderate risk, maybe the northern enhanced risk, generally around the realms of Russell, up near Junction City, Kansas. And then our main risk really kicks off out here in the moderate risk area, where we're expecting the potential for, once again, 100 mile an hour winds to possibly 110 mile an hour winds, and a derecho that will be possible as well. So the main event tonight looks to start at about 7 o'clock and last till about 10 o'clock Eastern in most of that moderate risk area. Then this is going to progress out towards Topeka, Kansas, about 11 o'clock midnight Eastern, where it should begin to weaken before it impacts Kansas City. So we'll keep a very, very, very close eye on the model runs for today. And this is just, what we're anticipating, and it is a model run, so you do want to take it with a grain of salt, but generally that is probably going to be how most of today plays out. So we'll look at this on a bit of a cleaner map here from College of Do page. There's your supercell that fires now, and will really get going at 4 o'clock Eastern, progresses off to the east. Then here comes your derecho, or possible derecho, I should say. That should be well underway by 6 o'clock, rapidly intensifying at 7, 8 o'clock, and especially 9 p.m. tonight Eastern time. 10 o'clock still really strong, and then hopefully weakening by 11 o'clock midnight tonight as it progresses into Kansas City. Now, we'll also keep an eye on the southern risk area as well, out here towards northwestern Oklahoma. That is where the highest tornado threat appears to be the most likely, so we'll keep a very, very close eye on for any discrete storms that attempt to fire out there. Now, here's our new mesoscale discussion that we just got from the SPC. You can see they do say gradual convection and intensifying is going to be a possibility with these storms as they move to the east. So right now, as I'm recording this video about 3 p.m. Eastern, storms are out here in southeast Colorado, moving up towards our main risk area. Once they pass that dry line, that is when we should see rapid intensification of these supercells. Now, there's also a few other things I want to go over here. We do have an MCD out for South Dakota, Nebraska, as well as Kansas and into northeast Colorado. We will most likely see a severe thunderstorm watch out in that area for the potential of mainly damaging winds, large hail, and a brief tornado will be possible as well. We also have a mesoscale discussion out here for the southeast, but just sporadic wind gusts will be possible. That's probably going to be over by the time you're watching this video. The only severe thunderstorm watch we have in effect right now is out here towards Florida for the potential of isolated large to very large hail, upwards of 2-inch in diameter. So once again, here's our moderate risk area for today. We've got a marginal, slight risk, enhanced risk, and a moderate risk. Again, damaging winds and damaging gigantic hail, as well as a couple of tornadoes, will all be possible. I don't want to waste any more of your time, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the live stream today. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. Watch severe weather in the tropics. Goodbye.